Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw two sketches of women with pen and ink. You asked me to go back and draw some of the simple things with ink, so here you go. First, with a brush pen, I sketched the general shape of the head and the hair. Then the back. Even though she will be dressed, sometimes first I like to draw the figure because then I can make sure that all the parts are in place. And then when I draw the clothing, it looks correct. And since I'm using a light color, I'm not very concerned about making mistakes. If I do, I can leave them there. And I will come back with a fountain pen, as you see, with a much more intense color and go over it, refining and correcting the line. With the light color I did the middle shades. I went over the middle and the dark shading actually, but I will reinforce the dark shading with the fountain pen. I first go over the outline and the line that divides the parts, such as the clothing and the limbs. Like that. Alright. Then I begin shading with hatching and cross-hatching. This is pretty simple. I think you should give it a try, just sketching without worries of the result. Just practice and enjoy. Let's give a tone to the foot and do the cast shadow and it's ready. Very good. Now let's do another one. She's also going to be seen mainly from the back, but slightly going to the other side and looking toward us, looking back. Again, I begin fairly loosely and with not very much concern about the result, with the brush pen and the light-toned ink. Actually, strictly speaking, this is not ink. I filled it with watercolor. I made up a light watercolor wash that was similar to the dark one of my ink. The list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. Now I switch to the fountain pen. I love drawing with this technique, with the brush pen and with the fountain pen. We do the features, the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose and the mouth, but all very simplified, just a few marks for each. Now the arm and the hand, also simplified. This is a rapid sketch. Now let's do some shading. The shading of the dress, the arms and the legs. Very good. And the cast shadow. Excelente! Please let me know if you would like to see more like this or what other techniques would you like me to do tutorials on. Thank you! If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, and click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos. And I will see you on Tuesday.